Tell the joke, man.
No.
We need to hear it.
No.
All right, we're live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, another Roanoke.
Yeah.
Tell the joke.
Paul Bunyan's ass.
No, the Roanoke.
From Roanoke Valley, bro.
Well, say the ties or whatever and the ox or that.
I have ancestral ties to Paul Bunyan, but you know, not Paul Bunyan himself, his ox. So yeah.
But the Roanoke.
And they hailed from you know, Roanoke, the lost colony. And
Ancestral ties.
Ancestral ties, the lost colony of Roanoke.
Paul Bunyan.
Or was it Roanoke that was the lost colony, or was it fucking
Roanoke? You start with ancestral ties to the Roanoke.
No, but I'm like, is Roanoke the lost colony, or was it Jamestown?
Well, Jamestown was the first one that died off.
Yeah, I forget.
So you have ancestral ties to the Roanoke, and you tied it into Paul Bunyan.
Yeah, Paul Bunyan was, you know, little did people know he was actually from Roanoke colony. Holy shit!
He's playing the song. They tear the woods here too.
I thought I said play the bag at song.
Oh!
Mud on the tires, holy shit.
What the heck?
Play the song Mud on the Tires.
Bank finally came through, and I'm holding the keys to a brand new farm show, man. Oh!
Down by the lake.
Point out every stock fucking truck that there is.
Look at the sticker though, 500 horsepower with that. Sitting here in the traffic right now for the show, man. It's all about the agriculture, you know, Texas A&M. All-time favorite song right here, man. Oh. Well, the lighting is not in our favor right now.
What am I supposed to say?
Sing. Too nice, man.
Alright, I'm gonna have this fucking parking pass ready.
Should I film it? You forgot your yellow vest.
How we go with this, bitch?
Alright, let's go.
I'm ready.
Alright, on the way now. How's it going, man? Hey. Alright, tell the Roanoke.
I already told it, asshole.
You didn't tell it right.
I don't.
Confession to make, dude. I literally set the clock for 1:30 in the morning instead of PM, so I actually woke up at 2:30.
How'd you wake up at 2:30 if you set it for 1:30?
I set it for 1:30 in the morning. Naturally.
Oh, damn.
That sucks. Here. Lucky to be alive, you know?
Traffic fucking blows, I said.
Just like what you were saying in the car, you're like, I need to, oh gosh, look at
Is there
that.
no way around this shit? Like, is there no road that goes, like, parallel?
This is all we got here in the inner city, Detroit, Michigan.
Well, I guess we'll just be late again. Just hit the gas and just fucking eat some ass.
Well, then they get to use less gas, so we help them.
I'll help you guys out. Just use my power.
F-150?
Yeah.
Oh man, lifted forward power straw. Damn. Live up to the music you listen to. Oh.
Yeah, fucking metal.
About to
Beat some ass.
You're always making us late, asshole.
Yeah.
Come on.
Alright, subway ass.
Gosh, it's as bad as Philadelphia.
That's a stretch.
Really?
Ask your viewers if they like Machine Head.
Do they?
Holy smokes.
Oh, it's just, what the hell? Bandwagon decided to leave pretty late and all. Oh. Hold on. What's up? Stay, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Can't believe it, man. It's really gonna make me cry. Oh! Live up to the music you listen to.
I'm gonna say it every time, asshole.
Come on. Cummins over there. What do you think?
You know it's a Cummins.
Just gotta assume so, you know? Get the fuck out of here. That guy does not like you at all.
Yeah, well, I don't like him.
He's not inviting you over for dinner.
I don't give a fuck.
You hear that? Whoop, 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 whoop. Things for the truck.
Yeah, like, I don't know what the fuck is going on right now, but yeah, holy fuck. Yeah, hey, break the fuck out of the road, buddy, yeah.
Live up to the music you listen to, asshole.
Fucking metal, I'm about to beat some ass.
Come on now.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, so the one music scholar told me what the most popular song of 2018 was, and we're about to play it for Mike. He doesn't know what the name of it is, but once he hears it, he's gonna give it his truthful reaction of what he thinks of it. Be good? Safe listening level. Oh, what the hell? My billboards. Here we go. Alright.
Already hate it, bro.
Hey, yeah. Mars.
Nah.
Compared to what you play?
Yeah, right, asshole. Give me the fucking chord back and I'll play some
What are your thoughts about it? Most popular in America.
disgrace.
Look at that Cummins right there. Look at that thing.
Fucking big stack.
Holy shite. That is sick, dude. Holy shite. Oh yeah, it's hit the tails on that one over there. Got the supper pie.